Jersey widely scrutinized for COVID deaths in nursing homes, some 8,000 statewide. Our Keith Kosinski in Morris County, where residents and staff at one facility have a second shot at putting the pandemic in the past.
At Spring Hills Assisted Senior Living Facility in Morristown, nearly 30 residents and staff receive a COVID-19 vaccine. For most here, it will be their second dose.
I'm excited because it gave me a sense of hope, and listening and hearing the news on how we are about to get back to normalcy, I'm excited.
Facility leaders say they have been COVID-free for the last 6 months. However, earlier in the pandemic, 2 Spring Hills residents died from the virus. 80-year-old Gilbert Moeller has been married to his wife for 55 years. While they're healthy, he hasn't been able to see her in person during the pandemic. He hopes this will change since he is vaccinated.
I don't know if we really tell each other the truth, how things are and how we feel. We're always saying we're good, we're fine, everybody around us is fine, but is this really the truth?
Of course, the pandemic has been challenging for all long-term care facilities nationwide. According to the COVID-19 Tracking Project, 35% of all COVID-19 deaths in the U.S. are from long-term care facilities. In Morris County, 545 residents of long-term care facilities have died from COVID-19, and over 7,800 statewide. As staff and residents at Spring Hills are now fully vaccinated, the hardships from earlier months of the pandemic may be behind them, but it will still be a slow process back to normal.
We have now added to the protection that we have, but the world outside, people are still waiting to get vaccinated. So while we are stepping closer and closer to normalcy, there will still be the need to follow guidelines just to ensure safety for everybody.
In Morristown, Keith Kosinski, News 12 New Jersey.
More than a third of all COVID deaths in New Jersey are from so-called long-term care facilities.